In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned from Ome TV. First, unlock your phone and find the setting app. It is usually a gear type icon. Tap on it to open. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see option for apps. Now tap on app list. Now you will see a list of apps installed on your phone. Scroll through this list until you find Ome TV. It might take a bit of scrolling, but it's there. Once you find Ome TV in the list, tap on it. This will open some options specific to Ome TV. Tap on storage and then you will see an option to clear data. Tap on that and confirm it. This process is like giving Ome TV a fresh start. Go and open your Ome TV to check. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.